In this video, I want to talk more about translating the graphs of functions, this time graphs that are a little bit more complicated. So I want to translate the graph of a function where it takes two steps. So remember that translating just means moving it up, down, right, or left. In this case, we're going to have both a vertical and a horizontal translation in the same graph. So it says, this is the graph of y equals the square root of x. Translate it to make it the graph of y equals the square root of x plus 4 minus 1. Okay, so let's remember that a vertical translation is f of x plus c, and this makes us go up c units, right? And a horizontal translation is f of x minus b, and here we go to the right b units. Okay, so let's look at these translations independently. So here we have a plus 4, and I know that that's going to be a horizontal translation because it happens inside the square root. That means it's happening inside the function rather than outside of it. So inside the function, I have a plus 4. That means that I have a horizontal translation. Now, if it's a minus 4, then I would go to the right 4 units, right? Because f of x minus b makes me go to the right b units. So if I have a plus 4, that really means that I have a minus negative 4, or in other words, I need to go to the left b units, or to the left 4 units. So this means to the left 4 units. That's what this minus 4 means. It means take this graph to the left 4 units. Now let's take a look at the minus 1. So this is a vertical translation. A plus 1 would mean we go up 1 unit, so a minus 1 means we go down 1 unit. So this means down 1 unit. So what we need to do is we need to take our graph and go down 1 and to the left 4. So it starts at 0, 0, right? The leftmost point is 0, 0. So I'm going to go down 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left. Okay, and then if I want to make it a really good graph, I need to kind of look at what other points we have. Let me try a different color here. So I'm going down 1 and to the left 4 units. Now I have this point 1, 1, which is up 1 and over 1 from here, so that's this point. And then when I go over to, I have 2, 4, so going over, that would be right here. So my new graph looks something like that. And that's how we translate the graph of a function in 2 steps. We look for the vertical part, and then we look for the horizontal part, and then we do each one, and that's how we get our graph.